Hey folks, Simon Ree here with your daily video newsletter for Monday, the 22nd of April, 2024. What I want to do today is have a quick recap on earnings season so far and see if it's trying to tell us anything. Now, I know it's only early days, only 44 of the S&P 500 companies have reported so far, but there's some interesting observations to make. Now, the biggest example of what I'm going to talk about here is Netflix. So Netflix delivered a really strong earnings beat. EPS was up nearly 17% ahead of consensus. Revenue was also stronger. What did the stock do post-earnings? It dropped 9%. And Netflix isn't alone in this phenomenon. If you look at JP Morgan, so JP Morgan here delivered a beat on earnings, beat on revenue, and the stock dropped 6% the day after earnings. If we have a look at BlackRock, similar sort of story. Beat on revenue, beat on earnings, stock's down. Stock was down nearly 3%. If we look at Las Vegas Sands, here's the earnings result. Solid beat on earnings, solid beat on revenue, and the stock is down 8.7%. Now, you could just dismiss this as a bit of buy the rumor, sell the news. And if these were sort of isolated examples, I'd be inclined to agree. But when we see a number of stocks repeating this performance of good results, good news, can't rally on good news, it's a good sign that everybody was long coming into the results. And what happens when everybody's long in a market? Well, you run out of buyers. And when you run out of buyers, guess what happens? Prices start falling. So of those 44 companies that have reported so far, 77% of them have beaten on earnings and 66% of them have beaten on sales, but the average fall the day post the earnings release is minus 1.1%. So when this is happening on a large number of stocks, I think it sends us a warning. I made this comment on Twitter last week. I said that don't expect to face a ripping short covering rally soon when everyone was long coming into the sell-off. Well, how do we know everyone was long? Couple of ways. We could see here on non-dealers US equity futures positioning, they were max long. Okay, long positions were in the first percentile, okay, which is kind of what fuels this buy the rumor, sell the news kind of behavior. If you look at CTAs, commodity trading advisors, even if the market is up small, we're looking at not much buying, just flat positioning. If the market is down small or down big, CTAs become a new, fairly significant net seller. So the risk is there could be a fair bit more selling to be done before the market finds a more durable bottom. Now, as I made the point last week, now is not a time to be pressing shorts. I'm actually expecting an oversold bounce to start happening soon, if not today, in the next few days. But I'm expecting that will be a rally we want to sell with new lows coming in the near future. That's what I got for you. I hope it helps, and I'll catch you on tomorrow's video. Thank you.